Is NVIDIA's stock about to go lower? Well, we just have a bearish cross here where the 20 MA cross below the 50 MA. We have a very negative sell-off. Here we have a big topping tail that hint that it wants to go lower, but here's a very strong support. It should have been keeping the stock trading sideways, but since this bearish candle here appear, it has demolished through support, and it is at the lower end of the support area. If it is strong, it should be at the upper end here, and it's just trading sideways. And you can look at the consolidation here, stays at the lower 1/3 of this negative bearish bar. And if the support line here does not hold, there is a possibility that it might just continue to sell off and go to the rising 200 MA, which might be a good area for people to buy this stock. Well, the stock has gone up quite a lot since we had a break of a downtrend line here. It found support at the 200 MA, but declined a bit. But eventually, I think this double bottom pattern formed, and it continued to rise and give us a very nice uptrend for from November to about March, so about 4 months of rise. Let me just take a look at the seasonality from stock charts. You can go to seasonality stock charts, key in AMD, and you can see that April, it has only gone up 40% of the time, and the average loss is about negative 3.4%. So April might not be a very good month for AMD, and if this support does not hold, I think it's maybe just going to continue to move down and lower. So the stock has also broken below this uptrend line. Never a good thing when the stock breaks below the uptrend line, below the 50 MA. So there are a few MAs that you always need to look at, is 20 MA, 50 MA, and the 200 MA. If a stock is above the 20 and 50, we have a strong uptrend. But once it's below the 20 MA and 50 MA, we can see weaknesses in the stock. And when it breaks below the uptrend line, another sign that it's not good. And of course, this is a big topping tail here, already hinted weeks ago that the stock wants to go lower. And what more, in the weekly chart, okay, we can see that a very big topping tail form, which is why the stock declined. Now, the only thing that is going for AMD at this moment is this previous high support area. This is support area where it might halt the drop of the stock down. If it goes to 156, it might halt the drop, right? So the drop might stop around here because of the previous high support area. But if it's continued to drop and this support area does not hold, there is a big possibility that it might meet the rising 200 MA. Monthly chart as well, it has this cup handle pattern. It has, I think, met its target, and the decline to this previous high area is very possible. And if it drops to this area, you might want to find whether there is a bullish candlesticks pattern in the weekly chart, or slowing down momentum in the daily chart. This is a daily chart, but if you look at the 60-minute chart, still not very good. First of all, it break below this 60-minute uptrend line. It tried to move up, but didn't go above the uptrend line. That's why the decline. We have a bearish cross, and then it's already below the 60-minute 200 MA. Below the 20 MA, 50 MA, and 200 MA, a very bearish thing in the 60-minute chart. And if this support area does not hold, we can see it maybe sell off even more. So do be careful of AMD because of the seasonality and also the technicals in the stock. Hope this is helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one.